Hello everyone, this is your Mama Car, my god, yes. And we're back. My god, it's been a while since I did a YouTube video. And for today's video, ayan gagawa tayo. We're gonna make this one. For those who doesn't know, I am the Year of the Dragon. I already did the other one, which is this one. Yes, Casa Flop. TikTok flopped it. But it's okay. So we're gonna do a series of dragons. The second one is this one, the red dragon, and then the next maybe yellow. Let's start. Oh my god. As you can see, I put my ball cap. I don't know why. I don't need to because I'm gonna put that headpiece. But for the YouTube sake, I don't wanna wear wig. I don't wanna wear my wig. I don't wanna show my real hair. Kalahati na yung ulo eh. Ni mama! And of course, I'm gonna start with Elmer's glue. I got a lot of Elmer's glue. I prefer the smaller one than the bigger one. I don't know. I just ordered it online, like a lot, like one box. So let's remove the brows. Yeah, it's so dangerous. Oh my god, just like so. Ayan. And then you're just gonna need to take. I'm really not good at this. I am still learning. Yeah, I did it. Others are like just brushing their brows first with a spoolie before putting it. But this time we don't need to like really cover them up good because we're not gonna paint it. We're just gonna. This is just like protection because I'm gonna use the one I used before. This one is my brows, my dragon brows. And we just need to have protection for our hair if we put the latex glue later. I'm using liquid latex glue. It doesn't give me bad reaction in the skin, just not like the lash glue. Some lash glue like give me allergies, swollen part of my eyes, especially here. So we're just gonna use liquid latex today. So dangerous, okay. So we're just gonna let it dry and then powder them off and then I'm gonna show you. And okay, for those who are asking what is this, it's like a face tape, lip tape. I always use this one for the strawberry face because I don't want for the strawberry shape. I don't want a pumpkin shaped face. Because gravity in California is like really different. It's just pulling my face down. Diyos ko, Bella, si mama. So, kailangan natin i-lift, snatch. Okay, so, Maron powder, or any powder that you want. You can use baby powder. I use Maron powder, and a powder puff. Because I think it's like dry enough. Yeah, it's so dangerous. Okay. And the next step is, yes, the turkey jelly. Mm, yeah. We have to make that smooth and seamless as possible. Oh, yes. Just like so. Okay, let's do the spikes on my shoulders. And I still have no idea where I can put it, but it's whatever. Okay, we are so done with the spikes, and now I'm gonna do my the painting on my chest. We're gonna use the matte paint sticks. This is oil based. Yeah, so dangerous. Pula, keme. That's your pula. The black. So dangerous. Eme. Ayan na, it's gonna mix. Let's mix that. I'm just gonna leave that spikes unfixed, and I'm gonna fix it later. Let's go ahead and do my face. I'm gonna mix yellow and white for my eyes, highlights under my eyes, like the concealer. Yeah, it's so dangerous. Highlights in my chin. I love my chin. Powder. Set it with powder. And then this palette is my favorite. Oh my god, of course, it's like overused. Shout out to Beauty Bay. Thank you so much for all the support. And this is my favorite. And we're gonna try to work with the colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my brows, spiky brows. Oh yeah, so dangerous. First, we need to put glue. This is just liquid latex. It doesn't harm my skin. This is why I put Elmer's glue earlier. Yes. Let it dry a little. Like it should be tacky. Okay. Oh, yes. I like it. We're gonna extend this one here. I'm gonna put nose wax. In fairness, I like it. my crown. Pasok ng tenga. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Because I want to have dragon nose. Let's do a dragon nose. Because why not? Why not do a dragon nose? Perfect. You just need highlights. And I'm gonna use white from MAC. My hands are too dirty from paint. My God. You need to make your nose disappear, and it's easy. Why not? Alright, this one, polymorph. And this, all of this one here is foam clay. Spikes foam clay. It is so lightweight. And my spikes in my eyebrows is foam clay. It's polymorph. You can melt this using hot water, and then you can mold it. This is the one they use for fangs, fake teeth, monster teeth, you know. Hi, and this is the last touch. The lipstick, yes. Oh my God. I decided to use blacks because why not? This lipstick is from Makeup Revolution. Thank you so much. Or maybe we can do ombre. Let's try that. Oh my God, red lipstick from NYX. Yes, so dangerous. So dangerous. Maybe you can put another one, like the yellow. And this is from MAC Stranger Things. Yeah, so dangerous. We're gonna try this one. Right? This is just a what do you call this? Lip gloss. No puede. Oh, I'm gonna put my outfit on and I'll be back. Oh my god, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I will see you next time. I hope you keep watching all my videos, and thank you for all the support. Oh my god, of my family, and when I go live in TikTok, thank you so much for all the viewers and all my followers. Like, they become my friends already. Thank you so much. I love you. And if you want me to do something like a tutorial on what you want me to teach you, just comment down below, and I'm gonna make sure that I'll do a video on that subject. Thank you so much. It's your mama girl. Ooh.